Just a quick unboxing and maybe a teardown. Here's a 1 meter LED strip, hopefully. Let's see what's in the package carefully. I don't know where to cut it because it's wound, not in a perfect circle, but randomly. I don't know what they were thinking when they sent this. It's from Koloreno or whatever it's called, from Poland. So yeah, they sell through the eMag marketplace platform in Romania with free shipping. That's an interesting. Ooh. Yeah, I need more better blade. So it arrived in 5 days, and what did they send me? Ooh, lots of bubble wrap, so it was wrapped appropriately mostly. But hey, it even has 2 wires soldered to it. And it says this is the dimension of the LEDs, I think. 120 of them per meter. And book, look, mook, fook, whatever, 1 meter. Okay, let's see. So, yeah, you can cut it into small modules. I mean, these are like really small modules, like this. And yeah, I think it's 8 watts per meter. Let's power it on maybe, if I can. Yeah, the cable doesn't reach here, but let me just plug it in like this. Red is positive, yes, and white is negative. Come on. Ooh, it's kind of nice. I don't see any burned LEDs. Yeah, this is a win, I think. This will be made into a lamp with a piece of plexiglass and diffusion layers and whatever, and it will have a specific shape to make it look nice or cute or whatever. So yeah, this is a win for $2. The other thing I already unboxed and tried out. It's a solar interaction wall lamp. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Just kidding. It has sensors basically, and the battery, and the solar panel, and it has an umbrella. YX-100, that's the model number, I assume. 5.5 volts. That must be the solar panel, but it's a tiny little thing. I don't think it outputs like maybe like 4 volts or 3. Battery, I don't really believe that. It's usually a 600 milliamp hour crappy cell. Angle of sensor 3 to 5 meters, 600 lumen. Yeah, I believe that. I already tried it. Quantity of LEDs 100. Okay, so let's see what's inside. I mean, yeah, I'll just show it shortly. It has a button here, and this is the movement sensor. And as all solar lamps, it senses the light through the solar panel. When it doesn't have any voltage, when it doesn't receive any voltage from the solar panel, then it knows it's dark. So yeah, that's a really logical thing to design. So if you press it once, it will detect blah blah blah. Same here. Maybe you're changing the duration and eco mode. whatever, it didn't come with a manual, so yeah, it works. I tried it. If I don't move it or I don't move in front of it, then it turns off, so it's good. And let's see what's inside. What I took apart more recently, it was a simpler unit and cheaper. This was like $6. Mine was $2 maybe. So this should be significantly better. I mean, it has many LEDs. That's a good start, and it's angled in several angles, so you can use one for a bigger area. Let's see what's inside. Place your bets. I think it's a 1000 milliamp hour battery, a cylindrical one, and it's at least half used, so really crappy quality. Maybe 600 milliamp hours, like I said. Oh, wait. This is interesting. This is not lithium ion. This is NMC. Or what do you call it? No, what do you call it? It's the standard old rechargeable battery that they usually put into like the really cheap solar lamps. So yeah, this is kind of disappointing, but at least it has a nice chip here. The one I took apart had just a blob, or what do you call it? Like a piece of glue, and all the traces come out from under it. Not a real chip. So yeah. Interesting. So this probably doesn't have a proper charging circuit, and that's why they use these batteries. Because these batteries just stop charging when they are full, and that's it. You don't have to have protections and stuff like that. Maybe it's even directly connected to the solar panel. And oh boy, yeah. So these are 3 cells. I mean, they give out the same voltage, 4.6, not 4.6, at least 3.6, and at most 4.5. So basically like one lithium ion cell, but not lithium ion cell. And look, now I see it, the back has a place for one lithium ion cell. I have one nearby to demonstrate. Look, it fits exactly. So this was designed for it, but they chose the cheaper alternative and more safe, because you can't overcharge these. If you overcharge them, maybe they get really hot and stop working, but they generally don't explode or anything like that. While lithium ion can catch on fire if you leave it in the sun or over discharge it or whatever. So yeah, mixed feelings about this. It was quite expensive, and it has these crappy batteries inside. I don't know what to think. So they were just put there like that and closed up. Okay. If they say so, it's a product. And yeah, maybe it's for the best that they use such batteries, because they don't have any problems in the cold. I mean, they have problems in the cold, but not really big ones like lithium ion. So yeah, I think this will not lead to any projects. I will just place it outside and be done with it. Maybe charge the batteries once or twice a year if they deplete completely, and that will be that. So yeah, nice little LED strip and solar lamp. I will maybe do some tests on how long it goes without needing to be recharged, because this solar cell should be like 0.5 watts when it's in direct sunlight, the hottest sun you can imagine, and usually it's below that. So I don't know if it's enough to light up. I mean, it still draws power when the lights aren't on. It still wants to detect if you're walking by, so it can turn it on. So yeah, I'll see how long it lasts. I'll leave it in the same place. Now it's autumn, and yeah, we'll surely have some problems in the winter.